Okay, dear students, welcome back to online classes. Dear students, in the last class I have discussed what is magnetic force and what is Lorentz force and the definition of magnetic field, the SI unit of magnetic field and the definition of SI unit of magnetic field. In this class, we will discuss about the magnetic force on a current carrying conductor. Magnetic force on a current carrying conductor. Dear students, all of you are familiar with the definition of magnetic force. Magnetic force means the force experienced by the moving charged particles. The force experienced by the moving charged particles is called magnetic force. Up to here, we will study about only the force acting on the single charge particle. But now we will extend that concept to force experience due to the single charge particle to a long straight current carrying conductor. Here, the magnetic force on a current carrying conductor. Consider a uniform cross-sectional area with a length current carrying conductor. On here, in the region of uniform magnetic field. This is the region of uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field means the magnetic field is equally distributed throughout the space. Here the magnetic field, it is a vector quantity and it is mathematically denoted by the symbol B. Magnetic field means the region around the current carrying conductor is called magnetic field. Now I consider a current carrying conductor. Here, this is the current carrying conductor. L is the length of the current carrying conductor. Now, this current carrying conductor placed in the region of external uniform magnetic field. This is the external uniform magnetic field. In this uniform magnetic field, now I place a current carrying conductor. When the current carrying conductor placed in the region of uniform magnetic field. Here, I is the current flowing in this conductor. I is the current flowing in this conductor. Here, and the free electrons are moving in this direction. These are the free electrons. Already all of you have studied this concept in current electricity. Here, the force experience or the magnetic force due to the current carrying conductor. Magnetic force means the force experienced by the moving charge particles. Force experienced by the moving charge particles. Here, L is the length of the current carrying conductor. B is the magnetic field. I is the current flowing in this conductor. Already we know the formula magnetic force. In the last class already I have discussed the magnetic force due to the current carrying conductor or magnetic force equation. We know that the magnetic force equation is that is F is equal to VIL. F is equal to VIL or magnetic force equation F is equal to BQV into sin theta. F is equal to BQV into sin theta, which is the expression for magnetic force. But here, in this concept here, B is the magnetic field, Q is the magnitude of the charge, V is the velocity of the charge particle, and theta is the angle between the velocity vector and magnetic field. Angle between velocity vector and magnetic field. But when the charge particles are moving through this current carrying conductor, when the charge particles are moving through this current carrying conductor, then what is the velocity of that charge particles? Here, the velocity of the charged particles. The velocity of the charged particles. We know the formula. Velocity means the rate of change of displacement. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. What here? Displacement. Displacement is distance divided by time. Distance from this end to this end, L is the distance. Distance divided by time. The velocity of the charged particle is V is equal to L divided by T. This is the velocity of the charged particle. Now, substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. This is the magnetic force equation. Now, substitute equation 2 in equation 1. We get F is equal to B into Q into V is L divided by T into sin theta. L divided by T into sin theta. What is current? Current means the rate of flow of charge is called current. Q divided by T is I. I can write this equation or rearrange this equation. We get F is equal to BL into Q divided by T into sin theta. F equal to B into L, Q divided by T into sin theta. Here, Q divided by T, the rate of flow of charge, that is I is equal to Q divided by T. Therefore, we write this equation, F is equal to BIL into sin theta. F is equal to BIL into sin theta, which is the expression for magnetic force on a current carrying conductor. Here, B is the magnetic field, I is the current flowing in the wire, L is the length of the wire. Here, theta is the angle between unit vector or length vector L and magnetic field. Theta is the angle between length vector L and magnetic field B, which is the expression for magnetic force on a current carrying conductor in the region of uniform magnetic field. When the magnetic force experienced due to the current carrying conductor, when it is maximum and minimum placed in the region of uniform magnetic field. In the first case, suppose if theta is equal to 90 degree or the current carrying conductor placed perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. If theta equal to 90 degree means the current carrying conductor placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. Then the force experienced due to the current carrying conductor or the magnetic force experienced due to the current carrying conductor is maximum. If theta equal to 90 degree, therefore sin 90 value is or sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Then the force is maximum. Then we get the equation F maximum is equal to BIL. When the force is maximum on a current carrying conductor, if theta equal to 90 degree or the current carrying conductor placed perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, then the magnetic force experienced on this current carrying conductor is maximum. Or in the second case, if theta is equal to 0 degree and theta is equal to 180 degree. Theta equal to 0 degree or theta equal to 180 degree means suppose the current carrying conductor placed along the direction of or parallel to the direction of magnetic field or anti-parallel to the direction of magnetic field. When this current carrying conductor placed parallel to the direction of magnetic field, theta value is 0, sin 90 value is, sin 0 degree value is 0. Then force acting on that current carrying conductor is 0 or minimum. If theta equal to 180 degree, it is anti-parallel to the direction of magnetic field. Then the force is minimum. On 0. This is about magnetic force on a current carrying conductor. When this current carrying conductor placed in the region of this uniform magnetic field. When the current carrying conductor placed in the region of uniform magnetic field or external magnetic field. We get this equation F is equal to BIL into sin theta. If theta equal to 90 degree, the magnetic force experienced on a current carrying conductor is maximum. If theta equal to 0 degree or 180 degree, the force acting on that current carrying conductor is minimum.